profound accumulation of 25 years has made Sinco a benchmarking enterprise of mining machinery field. After 25 years of trials and hardships, Sinco has seen a splendid future of booming business through constant innovation and transformation. Sinco Mining Machinery Company Limited is located in Yuanhe Economic Development Zone, Xinyu City, a national forest city and national new energy sci-tech city, Jiangxi Province. As a high-tech enterprise integrating R&D, service, production, and sales of various wear-resistant parts, the company covers an area of 43,000 square meters, with a total investment of RMB 65 million, 200 employees and 36 technical engineers. We have casting workshop, heat treatment furnace, machining workshop, and physical and chemical laboratory. Our equipment include medium frequency furnace 1 ton, 2 tons, 3 tons, and 5 tons, dozens of lathe machine and mill machine. We offer wear-resistant spare parts for highways, railways, hydropower, and other large engineering construction projects. All projects of Sinco are designed, produced, assembled, and tested according to ISO 9001-2000 International Quality System. Sinco has internationally advanced production technology, resin sand casting, and sodium silicate sand casting process. The company manufactures 8,000 tons of manganese steel and high chromium wearing parts per year. Our products are applicable for world-famous mining machinery brands. Now we have a production area of 26,000 square meters and building area of 28 square meters, fitted with tidy workshops, staff dormitories with complete supporting facilities, and integrated office buildings with complete functions. Our products include cone crusher parts, impact crusher parts, jaw crusher parts, hammer crusher parts, and metal shredder parts. Our business covered over 60 countries worldwide and over 20 provinces nationwide. Our products have won public praise. Sinco people persist in independent innovation and uphold the philosophy of one-stop comprehensive service. They have been constantly improving equipment by combining advanced modern technologies with excellent technical traditions, striving to provide clients with products of efficiency and high quality. Meanwhile, Sinco is dedicated to the establishment of pre-sale and after-sale service system, aiming to provide professional systemic solutions and maximize the values for the clients and staff. We develop with technology, survive with quality, and take honest operation as our soul. Through bold innovation and pursuing excellence, Sinco people will continue to create higher values for its clients with quality products, professional technology, and sincere services, and promotes the development of global mining machine manufacturing sector with practical actions.